this video, I'm going to take you on a tour of the learning kit for outside the box science. Head to the ByME digital platform and open Outside the Box. Click on Learning Kit. Here you'll see numerous options available to you and your pupils. These include the project journal in PDF format, available for users of the full coursebook, and your course multimedia content. That's not all. You and your pupils can access Outside the Box's interactive activities and flashcards with accompanying audio. As well as external resources to extend learning. Finally, and new for Outside the Box, we've included a gamification section. Designed as an escape room, pupils get to apply what they've been learning throughout the course. It's a fantastic way to keep your learners engaged. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to not miss out on any further uploads.